So a couple things and a couple questions we get about our dishwashers. First things first is there isn't a button or a handle to really open up besides underneath here. So when you open, you do have to give a little bit of a force to open them up, and make sure when you shut them, give them a good push in. That way you know it's latched. Pretty self-explanatory here. The best thing to use is probably just auto sense, but you can select a different cycle: heavy, normal, light. But auto sense will detect any of that in there. And then obviously these are some other settings. If you want to have it like a heated dry, you would press that. And then all you would press is start to do that. Okay, and here it clicks on. Another quick thing to mention and tip is if you want to have the best possible clean, run your faucet water in your kitchen here until it gets hot. And once that's hot, then you're going to want to start your dishwasher. It's going to give you the best possible chance to get your dishes clean. So enjoy your new dishwasher. Too fast, too good.